In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use your Outlook account on Gmail. By the end, you'll have your Outlook messages flowing right into Gmail, so you can manage everything in one place with powerful Gmail features, like spam protection, categories, and easy searching. Start by opening Gmail in a desktop browser and signing in. In the top right corner, click the gear icon to open Settings. Then choose See All Settings. Using a browser is important here because these options aren't available in the same way on the mobile app. Once you are in the full settings view, look for the Accounts and Import tab. This section is where Gmail lets you connect other email accounts and control how messages are brought in. It's the command center for linking outside inboxes to Gmail. Scroll to the section labeled Check Mail from Other Accounts and click Add a Mail Account. A small window will appear. Enter your Outlook email address carefully and continue. You'll be guided through a few on-screen prompts to connect the account. When you are given the option, choose Gmailify. Gmailify links your Outlook account to Gmail without moving your address, and it unlocks advanced syncing. That means read and unread status stays consistent. Spam is filtered by Gmail and organization tools like labels, categories, and powerful search work on your Outlook messages. It's the best of both worlds. You keep your Outlook address while managing mail with Gmail's features. During setup, you may be asked to sign in to your Microsoft account and grant permission so Gmail can access your mailbox securely. Approve those prompts. Keep the window open and let the process finish. The first sync can take a few minutes, especially if you have a lot of messages. When the connection completes, you'll begin seeing your Outlook emails in Gmail. They may appear with a label named after the connected address, making them easy to spot in the left sidebar. From here, manage your mail as usual: archive, star, search, and filter. Gmailify keeps things in sync, so changes like marking a message as read will reflect properly. Be aware there can be a short delay as Gmail checks for new messages. Periodically, that's normal. If you run into an error, double-check the email address you entered and make sure you are signed into the correct Gmail account while setting this up. If Gmailify isn't offered, simply follow the connection method presented on screen. That's it. Thanks for watching.